What if not eating for 3 days could trick your body into building itself a brand new immune system? It sounds extreme, but this research is real, and it's been resurfacing online for a very good reason. The work comes from Valter Longo, director of the USC Longevity Institute, whose landmark study was actually published back in 2014 in the journal Cell Stem Cell, and it's still shaping fasting research today. Here's what Longo's team discovered. During prolonged fasting, your body enters energy-saving mode, and one strategy it uses involves recycling immune cells it no longer considers necessary, especially older, weaker, or damaged ones already circulating in your blood. Researchers noticed something interesting in both mice and human subjects. White blood cell counts actually dropped significantly during extended fasting periods. But then, once normal eating resumed, those blood cell counts came roaring back, stronger than before. So Longo's team asked an obvious question: where exactly were these fresh new blood cells coming from? The answer led them straight to a specific gene called PKA, protein kinase A, playing a surprisingly central role in this entire process. PKA normally needs to shut down before stem cells can switch into active regenerative mode. Fasting suppresses PKA activity directly, essentially giving hematopoietic stem cells the biological green light to begin proliferating and rebuilding the system. Longo described it memorably, saying the body gets rid of the old, damaged, inefficient parts of the immune system during fasting. Then, when you refeed, fresh stem cells generate brand new immune cells to replace exactly what was cleared away. This became especially significant for one particular group, cancer patients. Chemotherapy causes serious collateral damage to the immune system, and Longo's pilot clinical trial tested 72-hour fasting cycles specifically timed before chemotherapy treatments. Co-author Tanya Dorff explained the results clearly, stating that fasting appeared to help mitigate some of chemotherapy's harmful immune-damaging effects, genuinely promising news for patients already facing an incredibly difficult treatment journey. Now, here's an important reality check worth understanding. Despite viral headlines claiming fasting completely regenerates your entire immune system, researchers themselves describe this more precisely as a partial reset, shifting immune cell composition, not literally rebuilding everything from absolute zero. Scientists also stress that prolonged fasting isn't appropriate for everyone. It can be genuinely risky for elderly, frail, or already immunocompromised individuals, and Longo himself recommends any extended fasting only happen under proper medical supervision and guidance. Researchers continue exploring whether specific molecular targets could eventually mimic fasting's regenerative benefits without requiring actual food deprivation, potentially offering these advantages through medication instead, especially for patients too weak to safely fast. So here's a question worth sitting with. If simply avoiding food for 3 days can genuinely influence how your immune system rebuilds itself, what other powerful biological switches might already exist quietly inside your own body? Would you ever try a supervised 72-hour fast? Let me know in the comments below.